Peeps. So remember those chitlins I made? Still have some. I haven't did much with it. So I'm going to put them in the Instapot, but I'm going to put it on slow cooker. So I just don't have the time to babysit them while they cook. This is going to take several hours to cook. Um, so I'm going to put it in here in some water. Add a pinch of salt and vinegar. Why the vinegar? So it can help neutralize some of that funk. And I'm going to now slow cook them for several hours, and then we'll pick up where we left off. I got a surprise for you, what I'm going to make with them, or at least some of them. Be back. Okay, peeps. Let's see here. I'm going to take some of these chitlins and I'm going to make something interesting. Nothing, someone suggested this to me. I'm trying to think of his page. You were like, man, you made the chitlins, but you didn't do anything with them. I'm like, I know. And he said, won't you make some tacos out of them? And I was like, tacos and chitlins? You possibly can't go wrong with this, can you? Well, we might be able to go. Chitlins is normally eaten with hot sauce. But I'm going to put some taco seasoning on it. Since chitlins don't really make a whole lot of fluid of their own, I need to get a little water. Get them started. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to let this simmer. What does that look like? I'm going to let this simmer for what is this? That's really weird. I'm not really sure why the camera was doing that. So I'm going to let these chitlins simmer in this taco seasoning. And we will be back when they're all about done. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just drop. Let's finish off the rest of this seasoning. Unlike using other kind of meat, trying to use chitlins and turn it into taco meat, it's like trying to teach a bird to fly backwards. All right, let this simmer a little bit longer, and then we're gonna do a quick taste test. Hey peeps, oh well, so, woo! I'm ready. We're going to do the the chitlin tacos. So let me get the thing zoomed down to this plate. So we look. Got chitlins. Because normally when you eat chitlins, you put a little hot sauce. So I'm just gonna put a little extra hot sauce on here. Don't know why. That's why I was always taught. Put hot sauce on the chitlins. Since this is taco, we're gonna treat it like a taco. Put a little, put some tomatoes on it, and there's a little bit of lettuce. Now, I have no idea what to expect out of this. No clue what to expect. It smells like a cross between the taco and the chitlins because I use taco sauce on it. Here we go. You ready? I know you're ready. I must. Here we go. Ah, okay. This is really weird. I mean, it's even with the taco seasoning, it kind of, sort of hides the taste of the chitlins, but this is not one of these matches you would say that were made to be together. But like I said, sometimes you need a second bite to demonstrate that your taste buds were right. It's so weird that I don't know how to explain it. It wants to be a taco so bad, but it's still chitlins. it is so weird. I can't. I don't know what to say. I do know one thing. I will probably never go out of my way to make this again. It's one of these dishes that you would have to pretty much be raised on. It's got taco shell on my tooth. It's not extremely horrible, but it's just something I would not do again. This is Chitterlins tacos. Wow. Yes, this is definitely not another dish I would make. It's Chitterlins by itself has a very unique flavor to it. And like I said, we normally put hot sauce on it and eat it and don't have. But I mixed the taco sauce in it, hoping that would make it taste more like a taco. And then put it in taco shell with lettuce and tomatoes and put a little extra hot sauce on it. But no matter how I want this to be a good dish, it just isn't. I'm going to have to write this off as a major disaster. This is not. Let me take one more bite. I mean, if you're looking for a different way of eating chitlins, I guess this could be it. But some reason my taste buds is not liking this at all. It's like, Ron, what monster have you dug out of the grave and created? And actually, this was suggested by I don't know why I can't remember his channel. I barely remember my own channel. I'll put his channel notes in the description. He was like, Long, you made all those chitlins and never did anything with it. And he's like, you know something? You should make some taco chitlins. And I like taco and chitlins. Again, things I've heard that should never be put together. But no, I'm sorry. I can't even recommend. It's so weird. If you into like weird and exotic foods, this would be something for you. But for me, it doesn't quite do it. It's not what my brain has an idea of what chitlins taste like, and then eating it like this blows that whole thing out of proportion. And so now I taste chitlins with taco seasoning on it in a shell with lettuce and tomatoes, and my brain doesn't know how to react to it, and it's not blending together very well. Nowhere as good as I thought this was going to turn out. I thought this was going to be kind of a disaster, and it was kind of a disaster. No. This is what I can't recommend to anybody. But then again, there are some of you out there that love trying things that's new, exotic, that got these weird flavors. If that's what you like, this would be it. It's not for me. It's nah. So, taco chitlins, yay or nay? Mostly nay. I can't recommend it. This it's nah. Nah. I'm sorry. So, until next time, family, you take care, eat, live long, eat healthy, and I'll see you soon. This one dish I don't recommend. Don't try chitlin chitlin tacos. Mm-mm. Talk to you soon. Bye.